Today I want to teach you all about market structure, but more so about change of structure, or change of character is what they would call it. But it's really just the market reversing structure. So we're gonna get into something, but it's really we're gonna get into like a change of structure or reversal happening, and so how we can identify it. So that's what it's about today. All right, y'all. So here's what we're gonna do. Right? All right. So here we go. So essentially, this is going to be. Cam, what are you looking at? Yeah. So essentially, this is going to be a YouTube, but what I'm allowing you all to do is go behind the scenes with me. And one of the things that I preferably want to do is show the idea of like what does our charting situation look like. So essentially, what I'm essentially doing is bringing you all through a charting session with me. But today we're going to talk about not so much. Last time we talked about what I will be looking at. This time, what I want to talk about most so is identifying levels inside of the market structure, but also what's called change of character. You see that carpet, huh? Yeah. So what I want you all to do is I want you all to go to your trading view, Palantir, daily. Yes, it's going to be on YouTube later, probably not today, probably in a few days, because we got some other stuff dropping over the next couple of days. But I want to just lock you all in on what's going on right here. You know what I'm saying?
You'll need to continue on your personal device.
Hey, chill out. Somebody asked, does nothing trumps my first strategy? This is just in addition to what we have going on. I know a lot of people be having problems with understanding this, so get on your Palantir chart. So you have to turn that. I can't see it. Yep, get on your Palantir chart, and we gonna lock in. So let's go with. Let's bring it this way. Slide. Perfect. All right, let me see. So, Cam, first we got to start off with a hook. Let me think. So we talking about hooks. We talking about those. Oh, do I got a clear screen after here?
Yes.
All right. So we talking about hooks. We talking about. Let's see. We talking about hooks. We're talking about. My people can't see this, so I think I need it. How do we bring this closer? Yeah, let's bring it down a little more for them so they can see a little bit better. No, we on a daily. Yeah, we on a daily. All right. So you're really not supposed to see the chart. I want you to go on your own chart. I want you to go on your chart. I want you to go on your Palantir daily chart to see this. Right? It's gonna be on YouTube. Where you want to put it here?
You could put that right there too.
You put it right here.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be anywhere the camera.
I'm about to double check that.
No, they really ain't gonna be able to see it. They too far back.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's maybe we can do it here.
Yeah, you can come all the way to like right there.
We can come to about right there. Yeah, that'd probably be good. Yeah, that'd probably be good because I can work it from here. Yeah, I can work it from there. Remember, it's for y'all to go on y'all chart though. There you go. Thank you. You heart. Thank you. All right. So let's think about. So before we get into it, Cam, okay, we got to think about what we teaching here today. Today we are talking about Palantir, but most of we just using Palantir. We most or less talking about the actual market structure, change of structure. All right, market structure, change of structure. All right, so if that's what we're gonna talk about, we gotta first come up with an idea that's catchy for YouTube that they can get. All right.
What you got? You said you got 7 seconds going on.
Well, we probably got that. So let's go with what do we say? Something like, as a trader, you can identify this. Let's go with once traders identify this. No. So many investors lose money in trade because they can't identify this.
I like that. I like that.
It's not bad. It's not bad. So many, let me write it out right quick. So many traders
Lose money in the market because they can't identify this.
lose. What about no, that's it. So many traders lose money. So many traders lose. Nah. I might change it to learning this strategy that I'm gonna teach you today will prevent you from losing. It's too much.
I think you were on to something with learning this
So many
strategy, though.
learning this. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get in with. So I want it to be inviting,
Yeah, like
right? So it's
hit them with a question.
what if I showed you a strategy?
All right, that's a question. Cool. That's
What if I showed you a strategy that could give you an advantage that most traders overlook? Maybe kind of word it again. Maybe word it a little different.
I don't even think it's the word. Like, I like the way it feels. It feels inviting. It sounds inviting.
What if I could teach you a strategy? And what if I can teach you a strategy? Dang.
Just don't overthink it. Run it.
I gotta get it.
Yeah.
I ain't got shit. I ain't got shit. You talking about run it? I ain't got shit. Okay, idea. Sound like I'm trying to sell something? I'm not trying to sell something.
That don't sound like a sell.
Okay, I got something.
All right.
And remember, it's YouTube, so we got 7 seconds, right? What if I told you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this strategy? Come on, bro. Come on, Cam. What if I told you I could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this specific strategy? Come on, Cam. Come on. What y'all think about that? I'm not. Yeah, we're not trying. All right. Right. What about that, Cam? What about that?
Run that.
Right. I think I said, what if I told you I could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this strategy? Right. So that's the hook. Now we have to get into the body. Right. And the body becomes the reveal. So remember our strategy goes hook, body equals the reveal. What they become. So it's hook. What if I could teach you a strategy that would increase your profitability as a trader? Reveal means tells them, right? Reveal. So what if I can reveal what is the strategy? Then the strategy becomes the hook. All right. In this video, I'm going to teach you about something called change of character. All right. In this video, all right. So what if I can teach you how to increase your profitability as a trader by learning this strategy?
Okay.
That's the hook.
Mm-hmm.
In this video, okay, body. In this video, I'm gonna teach you something that's so overlooked. In this video, I'm gonna teach you something that most traders overlook. In this video, I'm gonna teach you something that's overlooked by so many traders, but is essential to technical analysis, and it's called market structure.
I like that. I like that.
All right? And then that's the reveal. And then the body becomes, by learning market structure, you can stop guessing what the market is doing, and you can start listening to what the market is telling you. This alone increases your profitability as a trader. Come on, my dog. Come on, my nigga. Come on, my nigga. Come on, my fucking nigga. Come on, my fucking nigga. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. How y'all like that? How y'all like that? How y'all like that? No, Q. It's really like writing a 16 for real, yeah. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I want to start calling these live behind the scenes of the track.
Huh?
I want to start calling these live behind.
I'm trying to tell you. That's why we need to record them, dog. Yeah. All right. So you like it? Tell me how y'all feel about that. All right. So let's walk through it again, Cam. Hook. What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader?
You want me to write this down also?
Nah, I got it. What if I told you I can increase your... What if I told you... Ooh, I got it. Somebody said something already. What if I told you you could increase your profitability? Not I could, you could. Which then ties into this. That was good. I saw that catch. I saw that. Whoever said they take it off U-Trap and put it on them. I saw it. That was a good catch.
Yeah.
That was a good catch. I like it. I like what you did there. I like what you did there. What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this strategy? Mm-hmm. See,
taking it off
me, but whoever that was that said that, I saw it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I be paying attention. Listen, I don't think I know it all. We all could use a little help sometimes. You hear me? All right. So what if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by simply learning this simple strategy? Not what we did right there. Right there, what we did was we made it easy and attainable. You know why we made it easy and attainable? Because they already think that technical analysis is really hard. Right? So what if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this simple strategy? What I'm gonna teach you in this, what I'm gonna reveal to you, what I'm gonna showcase to you in this video today is a thing called market structure. Now, what market structure is, all right, I gotta get that part, and what it will become. So once we reveal it, we gotta explain it. Right? Right? Once we reveal it, we gotta explain it. So what if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this simple strategy? Yep. The strategy I'm gonna teach you today, the strategy that I will show you today is called not the strategy. The
market structure is considered a part of technical analysis, which is not a strategy.
Not a strategy.
A skill.
It's not a strategy. It's
a skill, right? Something that skill, talent, you need to work like that.
So somebody said you got good memory. So that's how I help myself get better, right? That's one of the ways I help working on my brain is to like memorize what I need to say and then execute it at a high level. All right, so we got the hook part. What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this strategy, skill?
I think it's more of a skill, not a strategy. I think if you run with skill, you're not going to mislead anybody.
Tactic?
Tactic is a good one too. I like skill and tactic. The strategy.
Yeah, it's not a strategy.
Yeah.
What about this? I got something. What if I told you you could identify? What if I told you if I hit it? What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by identifying this pattern. There we go. 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 What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by identifying this pattern? Come on.
That pattern is going to
Come on.
allow them
Come on.
to
Come on.
others
Come on.
start
Come
to
on.
look at.
Come on. Come on. Watch this. Reveal. Because once you identify this pattern, this is truly what the market is made of. And this is called market structure. This part of market structure that I'm going to teach you today is called breaker structure. I'm telling y'all, once you learn this, then you get into this. You will become a person that then starts moving in the market instead of letting the market move you. Come on. Come on.
Man,
Come on. Come on.
He on
Come on.
it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's it. 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 Because what we did there was we kept it simple. Right? We kept it simple right there. We did three things. We gave them the hook, the body, the reveal, and we explained. And then we told them what they will become.
Yep.
That's it, Cam.
Like the way that flows.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's go. All right. I think we got it. I think we got it, Cam. I think we got it. I like having my people in here so they can see like what it takes to really like what you go through to create a video. You know what I'm saying? Like the mindset, the concept. You know what I'm saying? How we can do that, right? All right, let's go.
Making content ain't easy.
It's got to be consistent. So let's get it. What if I told you to increase your profitability as a trader by learning this simple? What I said?
Pattern.
What did we say? Concept.
Hmm?
What if I told you What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this simple trading concept?
I'll say it like this. Like, I like how patterning sounds, but I like how concept feels.
I see what you did there. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. And remember, we want them to feel a certain way, right? So what if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this simple trading concept?
Yeah, I like how concept feels.
This concept is truly the blueprint so all traders and new investors simply miss it. This is called market structure. Now, inside of this market structure, then we explain to what market structure is. Now, market structure is boom, boom, boom.
I like concept. Concept's growing on me.
I like it. 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 Okay, we'll go with that. Let me see what they're saying. Trap, what are you using to learn? Shazam, if I'm not lying, if I'm going to be honest with you, I told you I read these 3 books. I put the books in there. One book is by Mark Minervini, Trade Like a Champion. Another one is what this other book is. Technical Analysis. It's a big ass black and blue book. And I just dig in them all day, you hear me? All right. My dog, Matt, was good. All right, y'all, so here we go. We're going to shoot this YouTube. Trap, you've been doing this for a while, like he always said, if you stay strong. Yep. So we're going to shoot this YouTube. I want y'all to go to y'all Palantir, right? The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. There you go. Thank you, Virgil. That's my Patreon people. They know.
They be on it.
Market structure. It's a fundamental concept. What you talking about? That's what we said. What are you talking about? Stop trying to be... We said by simply learning this fundamental concept. Stop that. Don't do that. We literally said fundamental concept. Don't do that. 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 All right. Let's go with it. Ready? We're going to shoot the intro, and then once we shoot the intro, we're going to then go to the screen. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. What if I told you I could... Start over.
3, 2.
What if I told you you could increase your profitability as a trader by learning this fundamental concept. That's right, y'all. Today we're going to break down market structure. Now, this is a fundamental thesis for all traders. You have to learn this as a trader if you really want to dominate the market. So today we're going to break down what is called break of structure. This is going to be so essential to you learning, understanding, and navigating the markets. Now, once you learn this concept, you will no longer have the market take advantage of you, and you can start taking advantage of the market. All right, man, it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. This video is going to be phenomenal, but before we get into it, I need you to like, I need you to subscribe, I need you to share this out with somebody who you know wants to become a dope trader. Let's get to it. What you think, Cam? Think I was too cool?
Nah, you in the pocket.
I was in the pocket?
43.
That nigga said I was in the pocket! Oh, 43 seconds. That's better than what we want. We usually go for 47. Come on, 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 come on.
Yeah,
all right.
Your hook was 7 seconds too.
And the hook was 7 seconds. That was on point.
Yep.
That's what I like. All right, let me see what y'all say. Right, and